Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how you can make the back loop slip stitch back loop ribbing. It's perfect to use it for hats, beanies, for the ribbing band, or why not for sweater, for sleeve cuffs, and so on. I really like this kind of ribbing because it's thicker from the slip stitches, and also if you're making a hat or a cuff or whatever, the hem of the sweater, because you are working only with slip stitches, is perfect because it's narrower. So I really like it. So first use your knitted yarn for the project that you want to make. Chain the number of stitches that you'll need, then chain one more, and in each chain stitch you'll do one slip stitch. Be careful when you are chaining the foundation chain. Pay attention that when you are doing the slip stitches, the chain became smaller. Yeah, so you don't have the same length as you did as you had after chaining. So now we are doing the slip stitches in each chain stitch. This is how it will look, the first row. Then at the end of the row, chain one and turn. Now, the first round or the second one, it will be a little bit tricky because you will see a lot of loops here because of the slip stitching. You have to look on the V's that are on the top of the stitches, and you will have to work only in the back loop. So now we are working the slip stitches, but insert the hook only in the back loop of the stitches. So see these V's here. You'll see that the V stitches, the loops, are a bit behind, so they're looking that they are both on the right side of your work, not on the top like in other stitches, but you will get it after working a few rounds. Starting with the third round, basically the loops will be more visible. So now we are working in each back loop one slip stitch. At the end of the round, chain one. Don't forget the first and very first stitch, because otherwise you will lose some stitches and you will decrease. So you will work the first slip stitch in the very first stitch, and continue to repeat this row until you'll get to the desired length for your project. For example, if you are working a beanie, then you will have to work the length or the circumference of the beanie that you want to make. Okay, so this is the back loop slip stitch back loop ribbing, and I hope that you'll use this stitch. We will work together just a few more rounds, and maybe just try it, because you will see that you will love it. The fabric, the ended fabric, crocheted fabric, it's so thick, and I personally love it because it keeps the shape, you know, the first shape. If you are working ribbing with other stitches like single crochet or half double crochet, they tend to become looser after wearing the garment or after wearing the beanie. They tend to become looser. That's why I love the slip stitch ribbing, because it's thicker, and if you want it looser, you can also use bigger hook just to get your desired look. And look how stretchy it is. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will do other tutorials for beginners, so don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. Thanks.